You ready for this, man? You ready to snuff out every destroyer piece we find?
It's payback time, Rembrandt. They bomb our turf, we're gonna
Yeah,
bomb
Fox
theirs.
told Cleon they were out partying tonight, getting real wasted, so there won't be too many destroyer patrols out.
Fuck them. Listen, you just worry about the paint, Rembrandt. I'll keep those fucks off your back. So you ready or what?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, here we go.
Cover that shit, man. Let Virgil know he can't fuck with us.
Do your thing, man. I got your back.
One down, Rembrandt. Now let's go hit the rest of their turf.
What a wimp! Man, I drank like twice as much as you. You don't see me spraying lasagna over the street.
Oh, great. Destroyers.
They're fucking wasted. Let's go beat that puke out of them.
Take them out!
I'm gonna
How am I supposed to write with no spray? Jeez. How am I supposed to write with no spray? Jeez.
Hey, come here. Whoa, man. You can't get this shit for free. Come on.
Oh! You're mine!
I figured these guys were waste.
Oh, man, come on. Give it back.
Snuff that piece of crap out.
Hey, you need anything?
Coming right to you.
Fucking piss tank.
Hey, slow down, fellas. This ain't no... We're gonna get made! We're gonna get made here! Hurry up! Last thing we need to do is get busted.
Wow, that's great.
piece of crap Take him out!
Hey, you need anything?
I was scrapping when your ass was getting around and breaking curfew.
Pound that chump!
You ain't got no sucker.
You fellas looking to score? Man, you gotta bring me the cash first.
Ah! You bumped right past that whip! Yeehaw!
Come on, let's move! Come on, let's move! Take him out!
Son of a... Real funny! Now give me that!
Move and you die.
I'll let her win a couple of hands and relax.
Next thing you done with that piece yet, man? We gotta get back to the party. I want to string me up some wool on the way back.
Yeah. Nobody said you was gonna find a broad. Chicks don't dig ugly-ass dudes like you.
Yeah, what? Deuce and a half?
You went for the beating of your life! Stop wasting my time, man! Come on, let's go!
Hey, Toy, I'm gonna snuff you out.
Fucking you up! Suck it up, jerkwad!
Squad 167, copy. Look out, shithead!
What's taking so long, man?
Now
He
everyone's
snuffed
gonna
out
know
enough
we was
shit
here.
to piss him off. Let's move.
Tonight at the party, I'm gonna be thinking one thing and one thing only.
Stick around for the word, Robert.
Man, the
And until
bitch.
then, this smoking beat is gonna leave you grooving in the street.
Can't get out of this. It's over.
I'm gonna bash his skull in.
Bring some over here, pal. You're out on our turf, and you'll be sorry. Ready for a beat, man?
You're so dead.
What's the hurry? We were only in there 10 minutes. It was just starting to get good.
You see what those dudes were doing in there?
Come on, let's move.
Sick, man. You know how dirty them seats were?
I was watching the screen.
Virgil's gonna be so pissed off when he finds out we bombed his whole turf, man.
There's a fat piece right on the back wall of their hangout. Do that one. That'll make them shit.
Oh, Christ. You want me to snuff a burner right on their hangout?
What if they're in there just waiting for us?
Ah, fuck. Look, you girls can stand out here all night deciding if you're gonna go a pair of balls. I'm going in there.
Come on, Rembrandt. I bet you could tag a whole piece right over that back wall.
Yeah. All right. Let's bomb it.
Where'd Ajax get to? Come on, let's move!
I bet they're doing funnels and shit by now. How'd I get stuck pulling scout? This is bullshit. Ain't nothing going on tonight.
Tell me not to get drunk on patrol. I ain't drunk, I'm fucking wasted.
There ain't a goddamn thing around. I gotta lay off the flash. Hiding is so pussy. I hate it when they hide. Fuck it. If you ain't brave enough to show your face, I'm out of here.
What was that? I swear I heard something. That'll teach those toys not to bomb Warriors' turf.
Okay, all done, guys.
That's great, Rembrandt. Really great. Man, they're gonna be so pissed.
Okay, can we get out of here now? I don't want to be around when they sober up.
Yeah, let's go.
Wait, we haven't found Ajax yet. There he is. Hey, where'd you go? What'd you do with my spray?
Don't worry about it. What, you think you're the only one around here with artistic talent? Huh. Come on, let's get out of here.
Shit, that was a good party, man. Oh, party. Yeah. Oh, fuck, man. Get the fuck up. Hey, what the fuck? Who drank all my shit? Shit! Let's see what's going on out here. Wait a minute. What the fuck? I've been... The Warriors? The Warriors? I'm gonna kill those fucking Warriors!
Tell me, Masai, what do you see before you?
I see the Van Cortlandt Rangers turf.